Hello everyone. As we know that the response sheet of SCI Junior Court Assistant is out and everyone have calculated their marks. People who have scored more than 100 are confident and have already started practicing for the typing exams. But people who have scored less than 100 or let's say less than 85 are in doubt whether to prepare for typing or prepare for other exams. But let me tell you that there is confusion among the candidates that they don't know that how many people will be called for the typing, or whether as they have scored less than 85 whether there will be some cutoff for paper 1 that based on that they will be called or not. But let me clear you that in this paper, the advertisement, there is no such thing mentioned about the paper 1 qualification. The number or ratio which has been mentioned here, as you can see on the screen, is that 1:3 will be taken for calling the candidates for the interview round and not for the typing round. So there is no such any qualification marks, or there will be no such any no any fixed numbers. So everyone should practice for the typing exam, because the numbers are not fixed and based on the 2017 pattern, because this type of pattern has been already followed in the year 2017 when the junior court assistant exam was conducted. In that year what happened was that, let me show you, that the people who had scored some marks more than 50% in 100 and more than 50% out of 25 had been called for the typing test. Here you can see the 2017 exam results after paper 1. Here it's mentioned that candidates who have secured 50 or more marks out of 100 marks in the objective written test and 13 or more marks out of 25 marks in the objective type computer knowledge test have been qualified to appear for the typing speed test on computer. And if the same pattern is followed, then everyone who secures more than 50% marks in 100 marks paper and more than 13 marks in the computer paper will be called. So everyone should start practicing. There should be no confusion whether that if I have got less than 85 marks or less than 80 marks, should I practice, or whether I would be called or not. Everyone will be called if the same pattern is followed as it was followed in the year 2017. So you should not be in doubt, you should start practicing. There will be no such any limits for numbers, whether how many the 10 times or 6 times or 8 times will be called. There will be no such thing if the same pattern is followed. Even if you have got less than 80 marks, it's your marks around 75 or 80, then also you should prepare, because if you pass the typing test, then you have chances to get more marks or get ahead of the other people in the descriptive round or in the interview round, because there are multiple things which can happen where you can score marks. Like in typing, if you practice well, then you can get more marks, like 25 marks is the minimum. You can get 30, 35 or even 45 if you practice well. So there you can catch up with the candidates who have got more marks in paper 1. Also in the descriptive test also you can catch up with them, or even in the interview round. So even if you have got around 80 marks or 75 marks or 70 marks, also you should practice and you should go for the next rounds. So I hope that this video will answer all your questions, whether if you have got less marks or if you have got the marks in some range, whether you should prepare or not. So definitely you should prepare for it. And I have also put some sites or some apps in which you can practice your typing. I've already put that in another video earlier, so you can go there and you can start practicing. All the best.